Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to fix an issue where you might encounter an error with GCC or G++ that says there's no such file or directory when trying to run a C or C++ file. Here, I'm using Visual Studio. First, to open a new terminal, I'll go to the Terminal menu and select New Terminal. Now, let's proceed to run this file by selecting the next menu option and pressing Enter. If you see an error like no such file or directory, it means that the file you're trying to run doesn't exist in the specified path. To verify the file name, I can type dir, and here we can see the file is named main.cpp. Let's select the correct file and press Enter. Now, there's no error message. As we can see, the file has been added. Now, to compile this file, I'll write the necessary command, which you can see on my screen, and hit Enter. At this point, the issue has been resolved and the error is gone. And that's it for this video. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this.